What's up guys, Breathing here. Welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. It is, I don't know what time it is, but it is a Monday afternoon and I just decided that it's time for me to start a vlog. I don't know why, but I've been super excited because as y'all know, I just moved and I'm on this thing where I set up my own furniture by myself and it stresses me out, and for some reason I like to document that. So I'm back today because I got some new stuff and I am going to set them up in this vlog. So I bought a coffee table and I bought a mirror, a standing mirror finally, and I bought 2 bar stools. The coffee table came today, it's all the way back there. I don't think you guys can see it. And the mirror is supposed to come tomorrow and the bar stools are supposed to come either Wednesday or Thursday. So this is just gonna be like a collection. Is that the right word? I don't know, but this is just gonna be a collection of me putting all those stuff together, and those are really the last big pieces or like furniture things that I needed to get in order to be complete with all the stuff. And now the only thing that I really need in terms of apartment stuff is like, you know, just wall art and decorations and stuff. So yeah, that's what this vlog is really gonna be about. I think I'm gonna call it like assemble with me, or watch me assemble, or watch me try and assemble. I'm hoping everything goes right because I just can't bother. They said that you're supposed to have 2 people to set up the coffee table and the bar stools, but there's only one of me, so we gonna have to make it work. Should I start now? I'm actually start working. I just got excited. I'm like, I want to do this now, I want to do this now, I want to do this now. Anyways, let us get into the meat of this video. Hey y'all, this is her. It's actually not that heavy. I was able to carry this one without struggling. So I'm gonna set her down. So y'all see me now just taking the coffee table pieces out of the packaging. This right here in this cardboard box is the legs, and everything else padded. Well, only one other thing is padded, and that's the actual table part of the coffee table. I'm just gonna take that out and set it aside while I work on the legs first. Now you see me showing you how the table is supposed to look when I'm all done. And now I look at the instructions a bit more. This was actually really simple to put together and I was so happy about that. I basically just took the leg pieces out and screwed them together. That's really it. So now you just see me taking the pieces out and kind of arranging them. It's gonna take me a while to like put them together to actually make it make sense, but once I attach them, I kind of flipped it over and then took the screws out and just started screwing them in. Now this little wrench thingy is so clutch. Like, they give me this with every furniture thing that I bought, and you just use it to screw the screws in. I believe there were 2 screws on each side. I could be wrong, I don't remember right now, but I just use a wrench thing and screw the screws in. And throughout me putting stuff together, you'll see me flip the wrench things different ways. I either do it with the long side or the short side. I find out that sometimes it works better with the long side and sometimes work better with the short side. But now you just see me putting on the other pieces, just putting it together and screwing them in, and yeah, that's really it. And then now time to screw the legs into the actual tabletop, I guess that's what it's called. This was easy too. I literally just put it on the table thing, and then I use the screws and screw them in. I believe there were 2 screws on each side per leg. So I don't know if I explained that right, but you can see what I'm doing. I just screw one leg down with 2 screws, and then do that for each of the 4 legs, and after that, voila, the table is put together. Super simple, super easy. This was probably my favorite furniture item putting together because it was so easy. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I'm pretty damn proud of myself. What do y'all think? Do you like the table? Let me know your thoughts. I like it. It's pretty good. It's definitely a bit longer than I thought it was, but I like it. I like it a lot. It has like a marble detail. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys are interested. So, yep, this is my work. I did that, and honestly, this was not hard to assemble. It was quite easy. The instructions were straightforward. I didn't have much problems with the screws. Like it was good. It was good. It took me like less than an hour to put it up, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, me. So yeah, I really thought I would spend more time on that. Like, I'm happy I didn't. So now I guess I'ma put y'all down until my other stuff come tomorrow and Wednesday. Tomorrow my mirror is supposed to come, and actually let me check when the bar stools are about to come, because I know those are going to take up a lot of time. I can feel it in my bones. And by the way, I got everything off of Amazon. Let me see. Okay, so the mirror coming tomorrow before 8. The bar is supposed to arrive between April 13th and April 14th. So hopefully they arrive on time because I can't be bothered. So yeah. So first part done. Now we have 2 more parts. Also, I don't think I talked much about that lamp over there. I did put it up too. Let me bring y'all. I got the lamp, this one from Target. Oh my gosh, it's flashing. I got this lamp from Target. It was pretty easy to assemble too, and I love the decor and everything of it. But anyways, my battery light is flashing, so my camera's gonna die. So I want to say one more thing before it dies. Y'all, I don't know where I'm gonna put my mirror. I'm thinking of putting it right here. What do you guys think? I know the wall's dirty, so I'll wipe that off, but I'm thinking of putting it right here because I don't know where else to put it. But I guess we can talk about that. Oh, light. I guess we can talk about that tomorrow, because I'm gonna put y'all down now and come back tomorrow when it's time to set up the mirror. Even though that shouldn't be hard, it's just bringing that upstairs and not gonna be a problem. But anyways, y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next clip. Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. I know I said I was gonna come back yesterday, which was Tuesday, to finish up. I think I was supposed to put up the mirror yesterday. However, it did not come. It did not come yesterday, so Amazon says it's coming today, so I'm gonna put that up today. And this thing in my face, oh my god, it's driving me crazy. Anyways, yes, so it's coming today. As I was saying, god, the mirror is coming today, so we're gonna set that up later, even though there isn't really much to set up with a mirror. And the chairs, they actually came today. I just got a notification that they're downstairs in the package room. I didn't go and get them because I'm tired and I was coming from the gym and I have to rush back and get ready for a meeting because I have a meeting soon. So yeah, anyways, I just want to fill you guys in. So when you see me back, it's going to be after work when I'm putting up the other stuff. So see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? It is after 5 now. Well, way after 5. I had some food and all of that, and I went and got the packages. As y'all can see, this is the mirror right here, and the bar stools are over there in a box. So it is time to assemble. I also put like a little concealer over my dark spot because I hated seeing it in the camera. So hopefully y'all ain't seen it as much now. Honestly, I don't feel like putting these things together right now, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it because I need to get them out of the way. I'm tired of seeing all these boxes. I look at the boxes in my in my place. Like you have that box with the mirror, then you have that box with the thing, and then you have that one with the desk that I have to throw out. Not the desk, the coffee table that I have to throw out, but I just want to do all of them at once. Anyways, we are going to put these up. I think we should do the mirror first just because it's easy. Like you don't have to go, I don't think I have to assemble anything. I just have to take it out and fingers crossed it isn't broken. Okay, let's pray. I hope it isn't broken. I hope there's no problem because I can't be bothered. We're gonna take this mirror out and see how it's looking and find a place to put it. Okay? Okay. Guys, I don't know why it took me so long to take the mirror out of the packaging, but this is where I decided to put it. And I was showing you guys some time ago this is where I wanted to put it. So let me know what y'all think, if you think this is a good spot to put it. And I also like this mirror, thank God. It is not broken anywhere, so that is good. I do need to wipe it down a bit, but I like it. I like it. Oh, and also it has like a stand at the back, so it's not like a, you know, lean against the wall mirror. So yeah, this is done. I think I'm gonna leave it here for now. I kind of like it because I don't know where else I would put it. So one piece of, would this be considered furniture? One piece of furniture down, 2 more to go because I have 2 bar stools. So let's get started on that and let's pray that don't take too long. Oh wait, first I have to clean up this mess because look, this was all from taking the mirror out of the box. Like this was all the stuffing and padding in the box. I'm gonna clean that up real quick and then we're gonna get started on the bar stool. So pray for me. Okay, y'all, now this kind of stressed me out. Right now, this is when I'm still optimistic, you know, I barely took anything out of the packaging. Now I'm doing that. I'm taking everything out, all the pieces. And once I get them out, I'm just taking them out of the white thing, I forgot what it's called right now, and took a peek at the instructions, and now I see that I'm supposed to basically screw the circular part that you see me unraveling now, screw that into the 2 legs. So I'm just rechecking the instructions on that. At this point I am still very optimistic, so I'm just aligning them, you know, aligning them and seeing how I'm gonna screw the circle thing into it, trying to see what makes it a bit more comfortable for me to screw in. So I kind of toyed with that for a while. Once I found a position that I could work with, I went ahead and started screwing. Something I did that I was not supposed to because I don't read. Reading is fundamental, guys. Remember I said that. I screwed the circle thing all the way into the legs and the instructions told me not to. So that's where I had my problems, which you will see me talk about later. But anyways, now that I have the legs and the circular part in, I'm now gonna try and attach them to the seat part, and this is where my issues came, and y'all are gonna see real soon where my main issue was. But yeah, now I'm just aligning, and then eventually I start to screw in one side, and yeah, y'all just watch the rest. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. don't think I'm meant to put chairs together because every time I try to put that chair together is a problem. This is stressing me out. I got as far as screwing the legs in, but I had to take this leg out because it would. Oh my, let me put on this camera and then talk to him. Yes, so what I was saying, like for this leg right here, I couldn't fit it in because it won't lay flat in the screw part, and I don't know why. Because when I have it all together, look, it looks like, oh my god, there's so much going on. It looks like this. Do you see, like it doesn't go in closer? I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm gonna really take a break on this because I'm frustrated. I'm so frustrated. I'm gonna take a break and come back. Okay, y'all, so you see where I majorly messed up. So after I took like an hour or so to, you know, just calm down, I tried to reassemble again. I took everything apart and I read the instructions properly, and I basically went in and reassembled again, and I was able to assemble one chair properly that night, and I assembled the next one the next day, which y'all are about to see in the next clip. Okay guys, I know there's a chair leg in my face, don't look at that, but I'm done. Like this literally took me less than an hour today. Yesterday I was at it for a good minute, but I'm done. So I'm gonna show you guys and show you kind of where I went wrong. So okay, first things first, I didn't read the instructions properly. It said that, and don't mind the mess on the couch, but it said that for these screws, I should have screwed them in like 60% of the way and then go into screwing in these. So because I didn't read, I didn't get that part, and I screwed these screws in like all the way in. So when it was time for me to get down here, it was a bit tight to force it into place. So basically what I did is I followed the instructions, of course, and screwed these in 60-70% in, and then I went in and aligned these a bit before even screwing them in. So I aligned them to ensure so the screws went into each hole, and then once each screw fit into a hole, then that's when I used the wrench thingy, this thingy, to focus, it's not focusing, but this thingy to tighten them. And after I did that, then I went in and screwed these in all the way, and voila, that's how I got the couch. That's how I got the chair up. So I'm gonna go put this down over there and we're gonna see how it looks. And I know that the whole video I've probably seen my wig head just chilling on the countertop right there. Don't mind that, okay? Don't mind it. That's her new home, okay? Okay, so let's see how this chair looks. Okay guys, and voila, this is how the stools look. Let me give you from this angle. I am pretty damn proud of myself. I did a good job. I really didn't think I could put this up properly because y'all know I have a problem with putting up stools, but I mean chairs, but this is actually really cute. I wish I had gotten a third one just because I feel like I could fit a third one here, but these two will be fine for now. And I actually put up this one that I just put up better than that one because this one doesn't rock at all, but this one kind of rocks a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, these are my stools that I put together and I'm super proud. Yay me. And I have trash at the door because I need to take that down, but that's for next day. But yeah, that is really it for Build a Bree or Breathe a Builder. I think that is all that I have committed myself to building. That's the last furniture thing that I need. Anything I need now is just like decor, like wall art and stuff. I need to figure out a way to put art on the wall without having to drill a hole in the wall because I don't know how to do all of that and I'm not trying to figure that part out. So I'm pretty sure there's a way to do that. I just need to watch some YouTube videos and figure that part out. So we will see how that goes, and after I do that, then I should have my furnished apartment tour ready for you guys. So stay tuned for that one. That will be coming pretty soon. But yeah, that is it from me. I'm gonna go take a nap because I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know your thoughts on the video in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Share the video with a friend. All that good stuff. And until next time, take care guys.